Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to deposit crypto on blockchain.com wallet. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the blockchain.com application. Now when you did that, you just need to go log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register by seeing a YouTube video on our channel on how you can go and register to blockchain.com. So now let's see what we actually have in front of us. As you can see here, we have your account and the DFI wallet, which you can go and switch from both of those. And in the bottom, we have your home screen, prices, and you can go and click on earn. And in the top left corner, you have your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and deposit crypto on blockchain.com wallet. Well, it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, what you need to do is open your PC if you have one, or the browser on your phone if you don't have a PC, and log in to your wallet via desktop web browser. After that, you need to go and click receive button in the top right corner. So after that, just go and click on the receive button. Then choose the crypto you'd like to receive from the list. So basically from the list, go and choose any crypto that you want to receive or use the search field. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow this channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.